Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today we are in Dharmadam beach. This is situated between Kannur and Talasheri. The main highlight of this beach is you can see Dharmadam Island, which is known as Dharmadam Turuthu or Pachaturuthu. Go near to that island and see what's there, if we can go there or not. But very sad is that there is not much tourist attraction hereby. There is no facility for any tourist. Maybe it's due to corona, I don't know, but there is nothing there to support or to know how to go to the island, or if you can go or not, or what. No facilities are there. People are very less because it's just afternoon time, but still nothing is there. It's very sad thing. It's a very good spot, but no tourist attractions. So we are going near to that island. Let's see if we can go there or not, because the water level has significantly increased. The water level, so actually morning time, I think that the water level will be very low, so you can easily go. You can easily walk, but there is no boat or nothing facility to go there. Also, we don't know whether there is something there in that island. Of course, there is no tourist attractions there. There is not even one small hut or nothing is there to even take rest. But it is wonderful island. Government can improve it a lot. Okay, so to reach this place, it is situated between Kannur and Talasheri. So from anywhere, either Kannur or Talasheri, you have to take a bus and get down in Dharmadam stop. So from the Dharmadam main stop, it is just a few kilometers. Or from Kannur, you can take a vehicle also, a private vehicle, and come there. But that is just from the Kannur, I can say it's just more than half an hour, more than 15 kilometers from Kannur. So very beautiful beach is there. And one more thing, you can see one ship. It's being there for a long time there. I guess by some accident, some kind of happened long before, and it got stuck there on the shore. So this is all about this island. If we get an opportunity to go to that island, definitely. So this is all about this island. The beach you can walk. It is very good beach, nice surroundings, and really a great picnic spot. But I guess not much people know this. Very few friends we used to come here, and there you can sit there in the rock, take pictures and all. They used to come, and beautiful views are there. But as I said, like, there should have some facility to go there. There should be some facility there to relax, and we can have a change that island to good. They can have restaurants, you can have recreations centers and everything there. Of course, we can attract. Hopefully, after pandemic, the government will reconsider this and will improve this island and make it a good tourist center. Of course, we can't go to that island every time. There should be some boat facility, not through this way or some other way, I don't know. They can go. Then there I can see nothing being changed. Just a forest kind of place. So if you somehow go alone also, we don't know who is there. There can be animals, there can be anyone who can hurt you. So it's not safe to go there alone. Even we go by group also, we can't say. Another problem is where you have to have some facility to go there and come back. So water level is increasing. Now this time you can't even try to go also. You can try to swim and go, but see, it's not safe there. What about if somehow we reach there also? We come back, the water level, we don't know, it might be increased a lot, so we can even not even try to go. So it's not safe to go. As I said, like government should give some facility. Hope I'm there since morning. There is no boat, nothing is there. I think the people is not come. People are not aware of this place. I don't. Most of the friends know this place, but that is very few only. People as a bulk should come, like in other seashores. So, of course, this is in Kerala, God's own country, but tourism is not that much, particularly north side of Kerala and not. There are so many places like this where we can improve it. After pandemic, we can surely attract the foreigners. They will definitely like this place. So if it was in other countries and all, definitely there would have been improved. Another view of the ship, you can see it's been completely broken, rusted everywhere. So I think very long ago only this being stuck here, probably a few years ago. So this is the view of the drive-in beach. You can see far away. I'll zoom it a little more, but it's not even clear from here. So that's the driving beach, I can say. And the Dharmadam beach ends here. So please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you. Take care.